Hi, this is Dr. Manisha Dikshit from Pranayatan Ayurveda. Frozen shoulder is a common problem, also known as adhesive capsulitis, causes pain and stiffness in the shoulder. Most commonly, it affects people between the ages of 40 to 60. As per Ayurveda, it aggravates when Vata increases in our body. In this video, I will tell you about some Marma points which are very useful for frozen shoulder. You can do it yourself or by the help of some other person. There are many therapies for frozen shoulder in Ayurveda. Exercises and Panchkarma therapy are also beneficial in this. But Marma therapy is a self-healing therapy which opens the blocked channels of your body. To know about the Marma points, watch this video. Why it is called frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis? For this, we have to see the anatomy of the shoulder. This is the scapula bone, and this is humerus, and this is clavicle. And there is the capsule between both joints. When the patient starts with a mild pain, and then slowly movement starts getting restricted, because this scapula contains acromion process and it makes a hook-like structure in this capsule. The main problem is in deltoid and in biceps muscles, but in some patients the pain radiates downwards to the elbow joints. Now I am telling you about some exercises for frozen shoulder. When you get up in the morning, the Vata dosha increased in your body. So do some isometric exercises. Stand in front of the wall and put your elbows back and press the wall backward direction, counting 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release and again push the wall with your elbows and count 1 to 10. Repeat the same exercise 10 times. This exercise will remove the stiffness of your joints. The second exercise is put your affected hand. Imagine that my left hand is affected, and put your affected hand with palm facing the wall, and your face is in the front side, and then press the wall with your palm, counting 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then rotate your hand in different directions and again push the wall, counting 10. And then again rotate your hand and push the wall and again count 1 to 10. This is one round. Do same 10 rounds by this exercise so that your deltoid and biceps muscles will get strengthened. The next exercise is put your hand at the 90 degree besides the wall and slowly slide your hand upward and try to give it a full stretch. Keep the face towards the front and then release your hand slowly and back to the 90 degree. Don't fold your elbow like this. Keep it straight. This is a right position. Repeat this exercise 10 times. The next exercise is same like previous one, but in this exercise keep your face towards the wall and then put your hand at 90 degree and repeat same one. And then release it slowly back downwards and up to 90 degree. By both exercises, your joint will move properly. The next exercise for the people who have difficulty in combing the hair and in taking off the clothes. This towel exercise is very beneficial for the people. Take the towel on your back side with both hands like this. Imagine my left hand is affected hand, and then put your left hand downwards. And the normal hand will be upward direction. Then lift the towel upward and downward like this. The left hand is affected hand and the right hand is normal. So move your left hand upward direction and your right hand upward and then downward. Upward, stretch your other hand in upward direction and then downward. Do this exercise 10 times with your affected hand and repeat the same with your normal hand. Now the next exercise is the clockwise and anti-clockwise movement of your shoulder like this. Clockwise. Do this exercise 10 times and then repeat anti-clockwise 10 times. And the last one is the pendulum movement to release the whole pressure of your joint. Stand like this profile manner. Loose your hand, affected hand, and do some pendulum like movements. You can do it approximately 10 times. Do all these exercises in 3 sets of morning, afternoon and night, and definitely you will get the relief. This patient was suffering from right shoulder pain and restriction in movement from last 3 months. Patient was not able to move her hand above 90 degree. According to the patient, the pain was radiating from shoulder to elbow region only and problem was increasing day by day. So we gave her treatment of fomentation with vata reducing decoction and massage with medicated oil, and also told her to do some exercises and marma points daily. Now I am discussing about all marma points which are very beneficial in case of frozen shoulder. First of all, Kurpar marm. This is located 1 finger below the elbow crease. Put your thumb on elbow and locate this marm with your middle finger laterally. Press this point 15 to 20 times for 0.8 seconds. Breathing should be normal. Press and release, press and release. Do same on the medial side of elbow. The second method of pressing these points is to press both points with both thumbs. Press and release, press and release. The second one is Shipra marm, which is located in the pit between your thumb and index finger. Find this pit and then press it gently 15 to 20 times for 0.8 seconds. Breathing should be normal. The third marma point is Urvi, which lies 4 fingers above the elbow crease. This marma points is also very good for for removal of upper hand obstruction. Mark your elbow crease and then forefinger above the elbow crease, press this marma point. The fourth one is Kakshadhar marm, which is a sophisticated marma point. It is located 1/3 lateral or 2/3 medial part of the clavicle bone or collarbone. Press it gently because it is a place of brachial plexus. The fifth one is Ans marm, which is located on sternocleidomastoid with trapezius muscle. Ask the patient to fold her hand from elbow and touches her middle finger back to the shoulder. This is the location of Ans marm. Do the same from other hand. Then mark both the points and press these points 15 to 20 times, 3 times in a day, morning, afternoon and night, only for 0.8 seconds. The location is very important for pressing these points. Press gently, press and release, press and release. Breathing should be normal. You can do these points before taking your meal. After doing all these points, ask the patient to lift her hand. The hand may move above 90 degrees. So, marma therapy is an instant method to open obstructions of your body. It is very beneficial for every patient. Patient gets instantaneously relief. After 3 days of the total treatment, patient was recovered 90% and she was able to lift her both hands. I am sure this video will be beneficial for all of you. In severe condition, you can contact any nearby physician or you may contact us. If you liked our video, please share it and subscribe our channel for new health updates. Thank you.